When it comes to guarantees, the key question is, if I'm not happy, will you make it right or give me my money back? But there's more to it than meets the eye. First off, you've got to be reasonable with your expectations. Some companies might charge you a hefty $1,000 for credit repair for a whole year and say they guarantee a refund if you're not happy. But let's be real here. It's much easier for them to refund $200 than $1,000, right? So when you're reading those guarantees, keep an eye out for the fine print. Some companies will try to find a way to wriggle out of giving you a big chunk of your money back, and that's not what you want. What you're looking for is a win-win situation. You want a guarantee that works for both you and the company. If a company is willing to go above and beyond just giving your money back, that's a good sign. Maybe they offer to do some extra work for free or pause your payments. It's about making sure you're both happy. But here's the thing, you can avoid having to use that guarantee by minimizing your risk. How? Well, first, don't expose yourself by putting up too much money up front. The less you invest initially, the less you'll have to worry about if they don't honor the guarantee. Secondly, look for a company that doesn't lock you into a contract. Contracts can be tricky because they might try to hold you to it, and that's not what you want. Also, consider working with a company that lets you pay as you go. That way, you can quit anytime if you're not satisfied. Ultimately, you want to find a company that can deliver on their guarantee. If they're not charging a ton and they're willing to go the extra mile, that's a good sign. Maybe they'll give you a free service month or a free book. These are things they can easily do to keep customers happy. So, in a nutshell, the best way to approach guarantees is to minimize your risk up front, look for realistic guarantees, and focus on results. If a company has a good track record, realistic guarantees, and a way to keep you both happy, that's the sweet spot you're aiming for. Remember, it's about finding a win-win situation for both you and the credit repair company. Learn more at CreditFixGuy.com.